This quick tutorial will show you how to add a custom HTML email signature to ActiveCampaign, one-to-one email and a custom template. First, I will create a minimalist email signature with the ByBrand editor. I will add a profile picture and a greeting line to the header. Save the email signature, and next, copy the rendered code. Now, I will go to the ActiveCampaign dashboard and navigate to the Settings and Section Signature area. Paste the content into that part. Save and preview the content, or do a test by sending an email. In the second step, you can watch how to paste the HTML signature into an email template. I will edit the template in the next step, adding the code block option into the content. Finally, I will paste the signature HTML content into the code block of ActiveCampaign.